What else?
Rooms on the bus go round and round.
How about London Bridge?
Look,
Okay, bye.
I don't need fire.
Oh, you sing na. London.
It is cooling down, cooling down, cooling down. On the bridge is cooling down. I barely.
What's your name?
Because I go.
How old are you?
So,
Years old. What is your daddy's name? What is your mommy's name? Mommy Fritty. Yeah, that's good. And are you gonna go to school?
I like it. Exercise.
You like exercise?
Yeah. Exercise with my friends.
Okay. So, do you know how to count now?
Yeah.
Let's start with 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, that's good. So, what else do you know? Hey,
Exercise.
what exercise do you know?
Exercise. And up and down.
What is that?
Up and down and down.
What do you call that? Exercise. What is that? Is that a barbell?
Yeah. Some
You say hi to your friends.
Hi friends.
Here on the camera.
Hi friends.
Here. You look here on the camera. Here.
Hi friends.
What do you say to your friends?
Hi friends.
You look here. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Do you know vlog?
Yeah.
Who's that?
It's my friend.